Here's a beginner morning routine that you can try literally tomorrow. And this is a morning routine that got me from being at the beginner stages of my self improvement to now, let's say, I'm at an intermediate level. So this is what I recommend you do as well. This is not advised for anyone who's been on self improvement for a couple of years now, because you're at a more advanced level. You're probably where I am right now, where I don't really need to be doing all these things. So if you're at that level where when you're fairly disciplined, you do everything correctly. You regular on your diet, your workouts. You are regular with working. You're regular with reading. You're regular with working. Waking up early. If you're regular with all these things, if you're consistent, you're disciplined. Don't need to be watching this video. I don't want to waste your time. But if you're a beginner, this is a morning routine that you can try literally tomorrow. The first thing you do is wake up early. Unless you're a morning owl, unless you're a night owl, which most people aren't. Most people are just lying to themselves. So see for yourself. Wake up early one day and you'll be sleepy very early that day as well. So if you wake up at 4, you'll be sleepy by 9. Go to sleep at 9 and then you'll wake up early the next day as well. Put an alarm for the first 2-3 months. After that, you won't even need an alarm clock. You'll just wake up early naturally. You'll fuck up a lot of times, but eventually you'll get it right and you'll start working up early. See what is your sweet spot. Most people will find it very easy to wake up at 8. Slowly take the time back because it's going to be very quiet and you can be like working on yourself peacefully. People won't need you early in the morning because they won't be up. And this way you also get like an edge from your competitors. So wake up early. I recommend you start waking up at 8 a.m. and then slowly shave off like half an hour. So 8 a.m. and then after 2 weeks, 7:30 after 2 weeks, 7 after 2 weeks, 6:30. And I would recommend you go until 4 p.m., 4 a.m. If 4 a.m. is like extremely impractical for you, don't do that. You don't need to be waking up early as at all. But for most people, it's going to be beneficial. I used to think I'm a night owl because all of my school time, all of my high school, I slept very late because I liked studying late at night because that was really quiet time for me. But I found out that waking up early had the same exact effect because no one was up at that time. Everybody was sleeping anyway. And it was also like it was very peaceful and it was very nice. It was also good for my like mental health because you're waking up early. So it's also natural for people to wake up early. So for most people, it's going to be healthy. Wake up early. I wake up at 5 a.m. That's the first thing you do. First thing you do after waking up early is meditate. You don't need to be meditating for hours straight. Start by meditating for 3 minutes. That's all you need to be doing. 3 minutes of meditation, you can listen to a peaceful meditation music. Anything works. And your only goal is to push away your thoughts while you're meditating. That's what meditation is. You'll get a thought in your head. Your goal is to shave that thought away, just push it away and get back to concentrating. This will improve your focus. This will increase your attention span. And in general, will make you more happy. This will make you live in the moment more often. That's the second thing you do in your morning routine. Third thing you do is read. If I had to pinpoint one thing that helped me become a more mindful person, a smarter person, and just improved in general, is reading. I probably have read like 50 books in the past year. That does not sound a lot, but for me it's a lot because considering before that I wasn't reading any a single book at all. Books will change your life, trust me. And I recommend you slowly get into reading. If you just pick up like a thick book that is really like philosophy based, you'll get bored and you won't read it. So start slow. Start with a thin book. I recommend Show Your Work because that's the first book I read. That really helped me. So I recommend you read Show Your Work or How to Steal Like an Artist by Austin Kleon. Those both of the books are amazing. The third thing you do in your morning routine is read. Fourth thing you do is take cold showers. Cold showers are genuinely healthy for you. They reduce your they increase your baseline dopamine levels and they keep them at a higher steady level for a long extended amount of time. Cold showers are amazing for a lot of reasons, but most importantly, it increases your mental resilience. So basically, you get more disciplined, You start to like getting into uncomfortable situations more, which just builds character. So the fourth thing you do in your morning routine is take cold showers. The fifth thing you do is affirmations. This is a law of attraction thing. This is manifestation. So basically, whatever your goals are, whatever you want to become as a person, you just write them every single day. Whatever your goals are, write them down and write them down as if you're living in that moment. Like, don't be like, I want to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year. Be like, I'm very grateful that I am at 1,000 subscribers. So that is the way you write down your goals and write down your goals in every genre of your life. So if you want to get to an aesthetic physique, do that. I would recommend you make your out input your goals. So basically the things that you need to be doing in order to achieve that goal. So instead of writing, I want to build an aesthetic physique, I recommend, or I'm grateful that I have an aesthetic physique. I recommend you write, I'm very grateful that I'm extremely disciplined at the gym, that I work out every single day, and that I'm very regular with my diet and that I eat enough protein. You write down stuff like that. That was way better than writing, I want to become a more aesthetic person. I want to improve my physique. All these things are things. So number five is affirmations. The sixth and last thing you do in your day is decide what work are you going to do for the rest of the day. So this is where your morning routine will end. And notice how I haven't put check your phone and get onto social media and see if anybody messaged you, because that's not important. You shouldn't be touching your phone in the first couple of hours of the day. That's going to completely destroy your morning routine, and you're not going to be basically you're not going to be helping replenish your dopamine levels anyway. Basically, this entire morning routine shouldn't take you more than a couple of hours. If it takes you 3 hours, don't do it, bro. This should not be hindering your day. This should be like a naturally part of your day. Like you, every day you wake up, you can spare 3 minutes after you wake up and you meditate. And I'm especially asking you to wake up early. That means you'll have more time of your day, more time in your day. So the last thing you do is decide what you're going to do and then do it. So set goals for the day, every single day. Write down what is your highest leverage task. For me, it's scripting and recording videos. That's what I do every single day. Now I do them first thing in the morning. So for you, it's waking up early and meditating. For me, it's waking up early and doing this. But I believe this is because I've done all the healthy habits, because I've improved my dopamine levels, because I've meditated and improved my focus levels. So I can actually focus on the work that I'm doing right now. I can be working for 3 hours first thing in the morning, but you probably can't do that right now. So start by doing all these healthy habits and getting on to self improvement. Slowly build your morning routine, and after a while you'll naturally feel like you don't need to be doing this anymore, and you naturally feel like now you have actually work to do. Like your highest leverage task right now maybe studying. You don't like studying for you. If you watch my videos and you relate to me, studying for you is not probably like a crucial part of your day, right? It's not your high leverage task. It's not going to get you to your end goal, right? It's not going to make you rich as far. It's not going to build you an aesthetic physique. So write down everything that you want to be doing for the rest of the day, and don't write every single thing. Like don't be making a timetable. Just write down 2 to 3 things that you want to be doing, like 2 to 3 major things that you want to be doing that will get you closer to your goal, and do them every single day. This is my beginner friendly morning routine that I did for months and months and months that got me closer to my goals. And don't worry if you're not able to do them every single day consistently. You don't get consistent overnight, basically. It takes years, months to get to a point where you're fairly consistent. And that is in anybody's journey. Every highest, like the most consistent person that you know went through a phase where he was not consistent at all, and then he was a little bit consistent, then he was fairly consistent, and then he was mm, not then he was not fucking up his consistency as often, and then finally he reached a point where he could confidently say that I am a consistent person. I can say with confidence right now that I am consistent. Unless anything foreign happens in my day, and unless anything unexpected happens in my day, I am consistent with everything that I do. This is my beginner friendly morning routine that you can try literally tomorrow. I'm building a community of high value men or men who want to become high value. If you find value in this video, subscribe to my channel right now so my videos can find you more easily and I can help you in your own self improvement journey by videos just like this every Monday and Thursday. I'll see you in the next video.